Welcome to a 6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to log in to the MT5 WebTrader on Android device. To log into the web terminal, visit our website and tap the menu button. Tap on the platform section. Tap on MT5. Select the WebTrader to navigate the web terminal page. Scroll down and tap on the Open WebTrader. After that, you will be navigated to the MT5 login page. Enter your credentials and tap Connect to Account. You will be redirected to the MT5 WebTrader platform. Congratulations! You have successfully logged in MT5 WebTrader. Thank you for choosing is 6FX. Happy trading!